very warm week, arguably hot week here in Colorado Springs and in Pueblo. These were the temperatures yesterday. Notice our high was nearing that 90-degree mark. This is above normal for this time of year, and also in Pueblo, flirting with the 100-degree mark, about 5 degrees above that average. So very warm temperatures this week, and the reason for it, if we bring us out to the national scene, is because of this high pressure ridge that's starting to build over our neck of the woods here. It's bringing in and ushering in a lot of southwesterly flow, bringing in some dry air. What that dry air is doing for us, especially here at the surface, if we look at the dew points, this is a look at low-level moistures. Notice here by 9 a.m. here on Tuesday, but as we get more of that westerly flow of air, it's going to really push these moisture values into Kansas there. Notice here by the afternoon, low-level moisture values are in the teens here in Colorado Springs, in the 20s in Pueblo, really all the way to the Kansas border, with the exception of the northeast and southeastern corners of the state there. So with low-level moisture that low, it's hard to get rain and storm chances into the forecast, but we do have the exception there. So within the southeastern corner near Springfield, we could see a strong storm this afternoon, but that's really the only place that could see a storm today or rain chances, because it's just not supportive today. So looking here at the stormcast, notice not seeing much throughout the morning time. So if you are getting out and about, morning time is the best time to do it, because it's going to heat up by this afternoon with not a lot of cloud cover and rain chances into the forecast here. So notice by lunchtime still looking good. Maybe eat outside somewhere. By the afternoon, still not seeing much. Models at the moment are not picking up on any storm here into the Springfield area, but the ingredients are there to see one. So not to be surprised if something does pop up this afternoon, but for the most part, we remain really dry. High temperatures today are in the 90s in Colorado Springs, upper 90s in Canyon City, in the 100s in Pueblo and along the Arkansas River. So if you are going outside today, you're going to be missed by any rain chances, so make sure to hydrate really well, especially doing any outdoor activities there. That's why I wish we had some rain chances in the forecast just to cool us off, you know what I mean? So dew points here, I'm bringing this back up because it's very dry here in southern Colorado, specifically west of I-25 here into the Central Mountains and near Chaffee County. In that same area, we could see some wind gusts today up to 20, 30 miles an hour, especially west of I-25 there. Bringing up this point because with, the increase in wind gusts, also very dry conditions, very warm too, could see some problems with some fire danger. So red flag warning 11 a.m. today till 8 p.m. this afternoon and into the evening hours. So just something to be aware of. Highs tomorrow, though, we don't get any relief, and from the hot temperatures, 93 in the Springs, 103 in Pueblo, and along the Arkansas River there, 97 up there in Lyman. So hundreds are here. This purple stuff on the board, that's really warm temperatures. Tomorrow, though, we do have a small chance to see maybe a shower in the afternoon. It's not going to be enough to really cool us off. You'll notice here very small pockets into the high country first. As it approaches the interstate here, it struggles to move past it into the eastern plains. So not everyone is going to see rain tomorrow. There's a tiny chance to see maybe an isolated shower. Might cool you off, but not enough to cool our temperatures off significantly. Right now, we're in the 50s and 60s, 57 in the Springs, 63 in Pueblo, 66 in Canyon City. If you're getting outdoors, these are the temperatures that you want to be doing anything in it right now, because by this afternoon, it's going to be very warm. Here's Woodland Park on the WireNet Home Services camera, starting to pick up traffic-wise out there. Weather conditions look very nice. And here's a look at Pueblo. Sunrise still making its way, 63 degrees there on the Discount Motors cam. So again, very warm conditions for the next several days ahead. We're going to be very warm into the 100s in Pueblo, even Canyon City, into the upper 80s there in Woodland Park. Same story goes for Colorado Springs here. Very warm conditions until we get to the weekend. Then we start to see a pattern shift into the forecast. And then